Hello everyone, my topic is a fault tolerance in distributed file system. First, what is fault tolerance? Fault tolerance is an important issue in the design of a distributed file system. Various types of fault could harm the integrity of data stored by a system. For instance, the processor loses the content of its main memory in the event of a crash. Such a failure could result in a logically complete but physically incomplete file operation, making a data stored by a file system inconsistent. Similarly, during a request processing, the server or client machine may crash, resulting in the loss of state information of the file being accessed. This may have an uncertain effect on the integrity of file data. Also, other environmental phenomena such as faults or decay of a disk storage devices may result in a loss or corruption of data stored by a file system. Our decay is a stand for the portion of a disk storage devices. Next, primary file properties that directly influence the ability of distributed file systems to tolerate faults are as follows. First one is availability. Availability of a file reference is a fraction of a time to which the file is available for use. Note that the availability property depends on the location of the file and the location of its clients or its users. Robustness. Robustness of a file refers to its power to survive crashes of the storage devices and decay of the storage devices on which it is stored. Storage devices that are implemented by using redundancy techniques, such as stable storage devices, are often used to store robust files. Next, there are two types of service in fault tolerance in distributed file system. First one is stateful service. Stateful service, the server maintains the information about a file uploaded via a client. Second one is a server stateless service. Server maintains no information about the client access to the file. They have both have mechanism. In stateful mechanism, the first we have to open this file. The server provides a handle to the client to use on subsequent operation. In a stateless mechanism, each client operation must provide the context information for that operation. Stateful services. Information about file operation are kept in the server during all file session. File server maintain some of the state information. The state information are as follows: open file and their clients, file descriptor and file handlers, current file position pointer, mounting information, log status, session keys, cache or buffer. A communication channel is established between the client and the server when the client explicitly opens a file. A number or identifier is used to define the communication channel. Then this identifier will be used to perform the file operation in the system. To attend its clients, the server copies data from storage devices to memory and let them there till the file is closing. Second one, stateless services. Stateless services does not establish a communication channel. There is no necessary for explicit file opening and closing. Before executing a file operation, the server will automatically open and close the file. Each request sent to the server must define the desired file likewise, if a read or a write file. When a client sends a request to a server, the server carries out the request and sends the reply, then remove from its internal tables all the information about the request. Between requests, no specific client information is kept on the server. Each request must be self-contained. The server can maintain the information on the behalf of the client, but it's not requested. Thank you. This is all about fault tolerance in distributed file system.